here we are. We're in Bolding Mill Campground. It's another Army Corps of Engineers. And we have a fabulous site here at 43, right on the water. It's magnificent. And of course, you know we got this one at a cut rate deal also. We are loving life. This is a gorgeous campground. Another gorgeous campground. The sites here are very close. They're not like it was at in LaGrange at Holiday Campground, but still a very nice park. Lots of trees, very manicured. Got a dump station, basketball courts. The dump station at this one is on the outside of the park when you're coming in. And this one's like on a peninsula too, you know, got these little fingers sticking out because you can see the water right over there. It's very, very nice. We were back up that way on top of the hill. I didn't have any internet service. We only had 2 bars and I couldn't do anything with that about uploading videos and that kind of thing, so that's why we're lagging behind. But the gate is right there as you come in, and we were on site 55 and we were in the sun almost all day, just like that one right there and that one right there. So we asked them if we could move, and that's what we did. We came right over here. We love it. Love it, love it. And Mr. Childers and little Lily are just happy as can be. Got our fan blowing on us. Woo! You can't beat it. You can't beat it, folks. Got our own little path to go down to the water here. And what people do is just like on West Point Lake. They all have their boats, and they put them in at the boat dock and pull them right up here to their site, and all week long they're out on the water. And it's not too bad. It's like 85 today, and we've got a nice breeze. And I love being under the shade trees. Oh my goodness gracious. This is fabulous. Fabulous. We are kind of in the middle of the park. Our site is number 43. Very nice site. Yes. The site next to us is 44. It's pretty good too. Of course, this is during the week. This is a Monday morning, and most of the weekenders are gone. And that's a pretty good site right there too. I'm not sure what number that is, but this one next across from us here is a pull-through. That's a nice site too. And as you can see, number 42 is not too bad. Got a nice view of the lake. Gets pretty shady down here. This one here, number 23, yes. And we have to tell you, the numbers in here are a little off. You may get confused coming through here trying to find your site. But, and that's number 23, and it's a pull-through. Very nice site also. And all the sites have water and power. Most of them, of course, 30 amp. They also have a picnic table, a light pole, and a grill, and a fire pit. That one, the fire pit, they moved the picnic table right over the fire pit. This is a very nice site here. This is 41. I mean, seriously, none of these sites are bad, really. The only problem we have is that we could not get good internet where we were on 55. But since we've moved over here on this side, we have had no problems. We can watch Netflix, I can upload videos, It's awesome. And then here we've got a cul-de-sac at the end. 24 is a very nice site. Very nice indeed. Wow. And it's so quiet. It's so very quiet here. I love it. Love it. I am in love with Corps of Engineer parks. Wow. Y'all see Mr. Childers up there in the orange shirt? He's writing down the campsites that he likes the best. He's gonna put them in his little book. Just have to tell you, the host here, they work hard to keep this place manicured and taken care of. Oh my goodness. I mean, they are just awesome. And there's extra parking. So if you have guests, there's plenty of parking. If you have an extra vehicle, plenty of parking. Mr. Childers says 28 is an awesome, 28 is an awesome site. Wow.
Get back behind the water there. Wow, what's an awesome.
Serious. This is the tent area down through here. Very cool.
Like 37.
Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. No water or power on the tent sites. But look how close you are to the water. Look at that. Is that not awesome? Oh my gosh. Brings back memories, honey.
Tent camping days in Lake James was like this up in North Carolina.
Oh yeah.
Now I think they were further apart.
Right.
You couldn't see your neighbor there.
Exactly.
And you had to pack it in.
See, there's another site right there that's real close.
Yeah, so they kind of connect.
But if you're camping here, if you're tent camping here with other folks, I mean, wow, really nice. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Nice. Very nice. See on the other side there, they got a big family tent right on the water. That's awesome. This is awesome. And there's a path, you know, that goes from one campsite to the next. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's quite a hike though to the bathhouse from out here. They do have water right here centrally located among the tent sites. That's very nice.
Back up, we don't know that. We just have to see. We know they have water here at the end. At least they got water. Wow.
Really cool. Right?
Paradise out here.
Uh-huh. I found another water source right there. That's not bad. That's at the beginning. And the other one is right down there. So that's not too bad at all. Not too bad. But as you can see, there's really not a bad spot in here. There's some growth in between the RV sites. Makes it very nice. Gives you lots of privacy. I really, really like it here. Really. What are you doing? You just hanging out? Huh? You need a bigger lamb, don't you? Is it good? Yeah? Aren't animals cool? They're just so cool. And y'all, the other thing that we have discovered, there's no bugs. I mean, this is 4:30 in the afternoon and it's fabulous. No bugs at all. I'm loving it. I am just loving it. We're gonna go in and check out the restroom. Let's go in here and check out the women's restroom. Of course, no smoking and no puppies. Oh, that's the men's. Whoops. About went in the men's restroom. Okay, the women's restroom. Alright. It's pretty clean. Here you go. You have 2 sinks. Look there. Another handicap sink. I love it. And 3 potties. Everything in here is pretty clean. And let's see. Got this big shower here. I don't know. Oh, you can see it pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Pretty clean. I like it. And no granddaddy long legs on the ceiling. And here's another shower right here. Very good. And they all have a bench and a hook. It's pretty nice. And of course they have swings here for the kids. Benches for mom and dad to sit on. And look, horseshoes. I love that about Corps of Engineer Parks. I just love that. That is so sweet. Site number 1. This is a fabulous site. I mean, it's like you have your own little corner of the world here. Plus, look at your view. Wow, is that not awesome? That's flippin' awesome. Here's the office here when you come in. And they have ice and firewood at the office. So that's pretty nice. I'm not sure how much the ice is, but the wood is $5 a bundle. Look at that big old kid. That's how you survive in this world, people. Is you're a kid at heart, and he definitely is. Mr. Childers.
Yes.
How much did it cost us to camp here?
It was $14 a night because we didn't get a waterfront site. Waterfront, I think, is $1 or $2 more. Well, it's $28 a night for a regular site price, and $30 I think for waterfront, where you have access to pull your boat up and all.
Y'all give us a thumbs up, and Mr. Childers is going to tell you bye.
Bye, y'all. Have a great day. Enjoy.
And don't forget to subscribe.